Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce the Unit 2. Unit 2 is uploading data to Domo and extracting data from Domo with Pydomo. In the Unit 1, we have introduced how to create the key and secret with the developer Domo.com login site. And after you have created your key and your secret, you can get the key and secret from the many queries. With this one, this query ID and this query secret. Okay, after you have created the query ID and secret, this is the first step. We can connect the Domo with Pydomo. Before we connect Domo, we should prepare for a dataset. This is a dataset I have created. There are data type, group, number user, number order, number GMS columns, and each days there is control group and test group, and number of user, number of number of GMS in each groups. The data is from 2020 June 1st to 2020 to July 2nd. Okay, we just have created the query ID and the query secret. You can use these codes to test. We can successfully connect Domo with Pydomo. This is query ID, query secret, API host. You can use this library. Use the you have created query ID, query secret, API host. Okay. Before we uploading our data to Domo, we firstly we needed to create a dataset in the Domo. This is a dataset schema. For example, this dataset name GMS order. The description about this dataset, GMS and order into groups. And this dataset schema, and there about 5 columns. For example, the data type column is the column type is data. The group column, the column type is string. The number user, number order, number gems, their types are decimal. And you can use these two lines of code to create a dataset in the Domo. Okay, after you run this code, you have successfully created your dataset in the Domo. Okay, after we have created dataset in Domo, you can get a dataset ID from this. And for example, the dataset I have created, the ID is this one. And also you can use this code to upload your data frame to the Domo. Okay, we have created dataset and also uploading data successful to Domo, and you can do a number of dataset operations such as export data to a string, get a dataset metadata, or list the datasets we have created in Domo, and I also export data to a file, and also you can import data from file, and also finally you can delete the dataset you have created with the dataset ID. Okay, we could this is a Jupyter notebook I have created for this unit, uploading data by Pydomo. This is the library we need to be used in this Jupyter notebook. This query and ID, query and secret I have created, and this is the logo information level we needed. Okay, we test our query ID and secret is okay to connect the Domo. Okay, there is no error about this slide. It means that successfully connect Domo with Pydomo with this query ID, query secret. Read the this file, and this is the dataset we want to upload to Domo. Okay, we could define the this dataset schema in the Domo. The name is the GMS order, and their data type group and number user number order and number GMS columns in this dataset. Oh, okay, we have created successfully this dataset in the Domo, and we can get the dataset ID, this one, and we replace the older one we have created. Okay, we could upload this dataset to Domo with these two lines. Okay, now it's the dataset is uploaded successfully to the Domo. Okay, then we explore the. Okay, this is my Domo interface. And we click the data state, and we can refresh. Okay, this is the name of dataset we have created, and there are about 664 rows in this dataset. Just click this one, and we can explore the details of dataset we have created. Yeah, now the dataset have been successfully uploaded to the Domo. Jupyter Notebook. We can do a number of dataset operation. For example, export data to a string. Okay, this is the with this dataset ID, or this is the dataset we have created, and in the Domo, and also we can get datasets metadata. Okay, this is the name, this is the ID, and also this is how many number of the rows, 664, and the columns numbers 5. This columns name and type, and also we can list the dataset we have created in Domo. Now we just one dataset we have just created, and we can export data to a file from Domo. Okay, we have export data from Domo with this about this dataset ID, and also we have stored this dataset in this file, and we can also export data from a file to Domo. Okay, this is the file we have just created, store. Now we have uploaded successfully this dataset to Domo. Finally, you can delete the dataset you just created with the dataset ID. Now you have deleted the dataset you just created. There's no dataset. There's no this dataset in the Domo. Thank you very much for your listening. Okay, that way meet in next unit.